Dear all my honorable teachers, Mr. Galan Hossein, founding father of PhD, Mr. Fuad Al-Mutaqin, the director of PhD, and Mr. Dianto as the supervisor of this meeting. The honorable, all teachers of basic English course, and all my friends, and the honorable, all teachers of basic English course, and my special thanks for all my friends for allowing me to be better whom I always respect. All praise is Allah for all His mercies, and let me invite you to send salutation for our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam for his great guidance from the darkness to the light. And I thank you to my nice MC, committee, and staff of this meeting for allowing me to speak and share more with you about the power of learning. Let me begin by saying that learning is not just something we do at school. Learning is a lifelong journey and is the most powerful tool we have to change our life. Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Nuri. I am from Fantasy class. Albert Einstein once said, education is not the learning of facts. It's about the training of the mind to think. This means that real learning is not about memorizing things. It's about shaping the way we think, solving problems, and becoming better every day. When we study, we are not just preparing for exams. We are preparing for life. Happy audience, I had a friend who used to struggle with math. He failed many tests and almost gave up. But one day he said to himself, I will not stop trying. He started studying little by little every night. It wasn't easy. But after months of hard work, he passed the final exam. Today, he tutors other students and inspires them with his story. Dear happy brothers and sisters, so for all of us who are still studying, don't ever be ashamed to think. Don't give up when it feels hard. Learning takes time, but every step you take today will lead you closer to your dreams tomorrow. And maybe that's all from me. Forgive me if I made any mistake. Thank you very much for your attention in this event. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.